Hello, welcome to #Biostars. We are discussing NEET 2018 question paper, Biology. First question is, the experimental proof for semi-conservative replication of DNA was first shown in a bacterium. Second option is right. Then select the correct statement. Punnett square was developed by a British scientist. Second option is right. Then offsets are produced by mitotic divisions. Second option. Because these are vegetative part, modification of vegetative part stem. Which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Starch synthesis in P, multiple alleles. First option. We are thankful to careerpoint so that they provide this question paper with answers. And now to the next question. Which of the following flowers only once in its lifetime? First, bamboo species. Then select the correct match. Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod, Le Coperon. Fourth option. And this is from NCERT, Molecular Basis of Inheritance, page number 121. Then, which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as fossils? Sporopollenin. It is also from sexual reproduction in flowering plants, and it is also given in NCERT book. Stomatal movement is not affected by oxygen concentration. Third option. The stage during which separation of the paired homologous chromosomes begins is diplotin. Second option. Then the two functional groups characteristic of sugars are carbonyl and hydroxyl. Fourth option. Then which of the following is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis? NADH. Second option is right. Stomata in grass leaf are dumbbell shaped. First option. Which among the following is not a prokaryote? Saccharomyces. As we know, this is yeast, so this is not a prokaryote. First option. Then which of the following is true for nucleolus? It is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Fourth option is right. Then the Golgi complex participates in formation of secretory vesicles. Second option. In stratosphere, which of the following elements acts as a catalyst in degradation of ozone and release of molecular oxygen? Chlorine. As we know, chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for this, and chlorine is the composition of that one. So chlorine is the right one. Then which of the following is a secondary pollutant? Ozone, because it is formed by the interaction of primary pollutants. Then niche is the functional role played by the organism where it lives. Fourth option is right. Natality refers to birth rate. Second option. What type of ecological pyramid would be obtained with the following data? First, inverted pyramid of biomass. First option. Then World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September. Third option, which of the following is commonly used as vector for introducing a DNA fragment in human lymphocytes? Retrovirus. First option is right. In India, the organization responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organisms for public use is Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. Fourth option. Then, a new variety of rice was patented by a foreign company, though such varieties have been present in India for a long time. This is related to basmati. Fourth option. Select the correct match. Ribozyme is a nucleic acid. We know this very well. First option. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and organizations without authorization from the concerned country and its people is called biopiracy. Second option. The correct order of steps in polymerase chain reaction is first we denature, then annealing, and then extension. So fourth option is right. Then secondary xylem and phloem in dicot stems are produced by vascular cambium. Second option. Then pneumatophores occur in halophytes. First option is right because these are mangrove. And then sweet potato is a modified adventitious root. Second option. Which of the following statements is correct? Ovules are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperms. This is not correct. And then select the wrong statement. Pseudopodia are locomotory and feeding structure in sporozoans. This is the correct answer. Then Casparian strips occur in endodermis. Endodermis contain Casparian strips. Fourth option. Plants having little or no secondary growth are grasses. First option. Then which one is wrongly matched? Uniflagellate gametes, polysiphonia, because they do not have motile cell in their life history. So first option is right. Then match the items given in column 1 and those in column 2. Select the correct option given below. Key is a place where dried and pressed plants specimens mounted on sheets are kept. Herbarium. This is the herbarium, a place where dried and pressed plants specimens mounted on sheets are kept. Then key, a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternates which are helpful in identification of various taxa. Then museum, it is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals. Then catalog, a list that enumerates methodically all the species found in an area with brief description aiding identification. So fourth option is right. Then winged pollen grains are present in Pinus. Fourth option. Then after karyogamy followed by meiosis, spores are produced exogenously in Agaricus. Third option is right. What is the role of NAD+ in cellular respiration? As an electron carrier. So second option is right. Oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by green sulfur bacteria. So first option is right. Then pollen grains can be stored for several years in liquid nitrogen having a temperature of minus 196 degrees Celsius. Third option. Then in which of the following forms is iron absorbed by plants? Ferric. So first option is right. Double fertilization is syngamy and triple fusion. Fourth option is right. Then which of the following elements is responsible for maintaining turgor in cells? Potassium. Third option. Then which one of the following plants shows a very close relationship with a species of moth where none of the two can complete its life cycle without the other? Second option. Then hormones secreted by the placenta to maintain pregnancy are HCG, HPL, progestogens and estrogens. Third option. Then the contraceptive Saheli blocks estrogen receptors in the uterus, preventing eggs from getting implanted. First option. Then the difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation is: in spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are released from Sertoli cells into the cavity of seminiferous tubules. Fourth option. Then the amnion of mammalian embryo is derived from ectoderm and mesoderm. First option. Then in a growing population of a country, pre-reproductive individuals are more than the reproductive individuals. First option. All of the following are included in ex situ conservation except sacred groves. Second option. Then which part of the poppy plant is used to obtain the drug smack? Second option. Then match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Eutrophication, nutrient enrichment, then sanitary landfill, waste disposal, then snow blindness, UVB radiation, then germ cultivation, deforestation. So third option is right. Then which one of the following population interactions is widely used in medical science for production of antibiotics? Fourth option, amensalism. Which of the following events does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum? Phospholipid synthesis. So fourth option is correct, because rough endoplasmic reticulum is connected with protein synthesis because it contains ribosomes on its surface. Which of these statements is incorrect? Oxidative phosphorylation takes place in outer mitochondrial membrane. Fourth option. Then many ribosomes may associate with a single mRNA to form multiple copies of a polypeptide simultaneously. Such strings of ribosomes are termed as polysome. First option is correct. Select the incorrect match. Polytene chromosomes, oocytes of amphibians, because it is the characteristic of insect of larva. Okay. Then nissel bodies are mainly composed of free ribosomes and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Fourth option is correct. Then which of the following terms describe human dentition? Thecodont, diphyodont and heterodont. Second option. Then match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option. Glycosuria, presence of glucose in urine. Gout, accumulation of uric acid in joints. Renal calculi, mass of crystallized salts within the kidney. Glomerular nephritis, inflammation in glomeruli. So, fourth option is correct. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Ultrafiltration, Malpighian corpuscles. Concentration of urine, Henle's loop. Transport of urine, ureter. Storage of urine, urinary bladder. So, second option is right. Then, the similarity of bone structure in the forelimbs of many vertebrates is an example of homology, because it is the similarity in the origin. Which of the following is not an autoimmune disease? Alzheimer's disease. Third option. Among the following sets of examples for divergent evolution, select the incorrect option. Eye of octopus, bat and man. Fourth option. Which of the following characteristics represent inheritance of blood groups in humans? Dominance, codominance and multiple allele. Second option is right. In which disease does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels? Elephantiasis. First option. Conversion of milk to curd improves its nutritional value by increasing the amount of vitamin B12. Third option. Which of the following is an amino acid derived hormone? Epinephrine. First option, because it is derived from tyrosine. Then which of the following structures or regions is incorrectly paired with its function? Limbic system consists of fiber tracts that interconnect different regions of brain, controls movement. Second option, because it is the deeper part of cerebral cortex, includes hypothalamus and hippocampal lobe, amygdala lobe, olfactory tract, etc. Which of the following hormones can play a significant role in osteoporosis? Estrogen and parathyroid hormone. Third option. Then the transplant lens in the human eye is held in its place by ligaments attached to the ciliary body. First option. Which of the following animals does not undergo metamorphosis? Earthworm. First option. Then identify the vertebrate group of animals characterized by crop and gizzard in its digestive system. Eaves. Third option. Birds contain these things. Which of the following organisms are known as chief producers in oceans? Diatoms, second option. Which one of these animals is not a homeotherm? Second, because it is a reptile. Ciliates differs from all other protozoans in having two types of nuclei, macro and micronucleus. So fourth option. Which of the following features is used to identify a male cockroach from a female cockroach? Presence of caudal styles. Second option. Which of the following options correctly represents the lung conditions in asthma and emphysema respectively? Inflammation of bronchioles and decreased respiratory surface. First option. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Tricuspid valve between right atrium and right ventricle. Bicuspid valve between left atrium and left ventricle, and semilunar valve between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. First option is right. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select correct option given below. Tidal volume 500 to 550 ml. Inspiratory reserve volume 2500 ml to 3000 ml. Expiratory reserve volume 1000 to 1100 ml. Residual volume 1100 to 1200 ml. Second option is right one. AGGTAT CGCAT is a sequence from the coding strand of a gene. What will be the corresponding sequence of the transcribed mRNA? First one is the right one. According to Hugo de Vries, the mechanism of evolution is saltation. Second option. Match the item given in column 1 with those in column 2. Proliferative phase, follicular phase, secretory phase, luteal phase, menstruation, breakdown of endometrial lining. Third option is correct. A woman has an X-linked condition on one of her X chromosomes. This chromosome can be inherited by both sons and daughters. Fourth option is right. All of the following are part of an operon except an enhancer. Third option. And which of the following gastric cells indirectly help in erythropoiesis? Parietal cells. Fourth one. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option. Fibrinogen, blood clotting, globulin, defense mechanism, albumin, osmotic balance. So fourth one is correct. Then calcium is important in skeletal muscle contraction because it binds to troponin to remove the masking of active sites on actin for myosin. So first option is right. Which of the following is an occupational respiratory disorder? Silicosis. and it is found in stone grinders. So second option is the correct answer. Thank you.